Alright guys, the Honor Wen series, which was formerly the GD series, has been renamed with brand new packaging. Doesn't this Wen sound just like win? Meaning it's already won before it's even released. Isn't that a bit too confident? And the name of this color scheme seems to be designated win. Look at this real device, and I must say it's far more exquisite than the renders. And see the camera module? So it also features the Honor Wen series. This is likely some cutting-edge tech I can't reveal yet. And this speaker, I can only hint its flagship level. Its audio, visuals, performance, and battery life are all incredibly powerful.
The feel of this phone, I had absolutely no complaints. The metal frame and the frosted glass texture. And guys, what I find most interesting, I think, is the name this time, the Honor Wen series. Look, it's even printed on the camera lens. Doesn't win mean win? And the name of this color scheme is designated win. Isn't that naturally a huge IQ boost? To win is to win, right?
Oh, so for this phone, I'll also be doing a detailed comparison with IQ later, right?
Let's find out who the true victor will be in the end. So summarize, the Honor Magic series' performance and battery life have been absolutely phenomenal throughout this entire year. Like, it's going to be officially released on December 26th. And regarding its audio visual entertainment capabilities, I can honestly say that right now this phone is probably my #1 choice, okay?